Father, can you hear me? We need your love today. I know that you are listening. You hear me every day. Father, please hear us, and we will be okay. Father, we need you to heal families today. Father, can you hear me? I'm calling on your name. Not Buddha, not Muhammad, but it's Jesus we cry out loud. Father, just forgive us and hear us when we say we'll give you everything, our lives and souls today. Father, you know we mean it. I've never seen so much pain. If we have the faith for now, victory we will get.